How to fix WhatsApp QR code problem. So first thing you want to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, and then you have to go into the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now on this page you have to go into WhatsApp, click on it, and then click here on this force stop option, and then go into the permissions. Make sure to enable the camera permission. Go back, click on the data usage. Make sure to enable all those options right here, from the mobile data into the roaming data. Go back, click on storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache, and now one last thing you want to do is go back to the settings again and go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. And also make sure to clean your camera because sometimes the camera is not clear. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.